Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Wednesday night catch up. In tonight's short video, I've had quite a few people asking me how I use a 4-jaw chuck, specifically how I would centre a centre pop mark on a bit of plate in a 4-jaw chuck to drill a hole. It's a job I do quite often. I have shown it a few times, so that the machining part of tonight's little video will be doing that on the lathe. I do a little bit of cooking. There's a steam rally, I'll show some of that. And Deborah makes a start on one of our new projects. Well, I'll just leave it to the imagination what she's going to be making, but she's keen, interested. It's good that she wants to come to the workshop, have a play with the welders and the cutting torch and the anvil. She's limited to what she can do because her hands aren't very good for hitting things, but as far as welding goes, she can certainly weld. That's it. Fuck off. Even past that thing. exactly health food like is it? Aye. The gloves are must made. Okay. And the skin off your hands, so that bit's stuck on there.
That'll burn off.
We've done them like. Bon appetit, bonny lad. Four-jaw chuck. This is quite a big one because it's quite a big lathe. You often find these things rusting away in the bottom of the lathe because I use mine quite a lot. I've got a piece of aluminium plate here, it's got a centre punch mark there. I need to drill a hole through there. I would probably do it on a milling machine, but if you haven't got a milling machine or a drill and you have got a lathe, you can use a four-jaw chuck to line it up. The jaws on this chuck are reversible. It needs to go in there, something like that, and obviously you can't have that jaw sticking out because it's going to hit the lathe bed. So that jaw can be reversed, like that. And now we rest our workpiece on that part. We'll take its opposite one out, turn that round as well. Chuck could do with cleaning all the swarf out of there. Okay, so we need that in the centre. There's a simple way to do it, or a quick-ish way to do it. If you eyeball it, you can kind of see it's going to be not a million mile away there. Right, sort of somewhere near, or at least it's within the realms of possibility. So what I do now is I bring in a lathe centre and put it into there and use the lathe centre to hold that in position where I want it. Right, so that is actually the centre of the bar, so you can see it needs to go actually where that pin mark is. So if we loosen things off, loosen that one off, and loosen that one off. The piece of bar is resting on the two flats on those chuck jaws. We can bring that in, put the point in there, and put a little bit of weight on it. Just clearance, just got enough clearance. Okay, so that centre is actually holding the job flat against those two chuck jaws. So tighten those up, or nip them. Do the same with these two. Little nip. Little nip. And that basically is not a million mile away from being on centre. Which way I would say a mil. Next we need to get this absolutely spot on, so we're going to use a clock gauge to what they call clock it in. So what I do, I put another centre in there, and I bring my tailstock centre up into the centre hole of that. Right, you can see how that's moving, wobbling. It's not far away actually. I'm going to put a dial indicator on there so we can get it absolutely spot on. The closer you are to the chuck with the indicator, the more accurate the job will be. That's moving 20 thou. I'll bring the camera in so you can see a little bit better. Right, so that's moving 20 thou. So what we'll do, we'll find a high point, which is there, and we'll need the job to go away from there. So if we loosen off the far side a little bit, tighten up this one. Right, once again the high point, which is that one. So if we tighten the nearest jaw to the high point, same again high point, which is that one. Move it too far, we'll get there. High point there. High points there. Right, we're within 1 thou there. That's it, that's clocked in within 1 thou. That's certainly accurate enough for most things are going to be drilling a hole in like that. I don't want to drill a hole in because it's a nice piece of material. The problem with the way I've got this done is there's a lot of metal sticking out on the one point, which is going to make it run out of balance. So a better way, we can move that jaw in and put it on that face. So we'll do it again. Loosen things off. Right, that's about it, half a thou. And you can see now the centre pop mark isn't moving. Right, so the centre pop mark is running nice and true, and it's not a million mile out of balance. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. We've just hit 99,000. There's a little subscribe button in one of the corners. If you have subscribed a few years ago, can you check to make sure you are still subscribed? Because YouTube sneakily, seemingly knock them off after a while because they don't want you getting 100,000 views. Anyway, thanks for watching.